everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check Old Navy order status online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To check your Old Navy order status, open up a web browser and make sure that you are logged into your Old Navy account. From your main homepage of Old Navy, which looks like this, go to the upper right hand corner and click on your name. From the drop down, click on Orders and Returns. If you've made any orders, you'll be able to see any orders that you've made from the past 6 months on this page. You can easily track your order from this tab over here where it says Order History. If any ongoing order is available on your Old Navy account, you'll be able to see the list right here. That is how you can check for your Old Navy order status. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.